हाय दिस इज जेफ फ्रॉम क्लासिक ऑटो। आज हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं मर्सिडीज की टॉप नॉच लग्जरी व्हीकल which is available right now at 2,25 lakh rupees on road price। और हम आपके बहुत सारे पैसे बचाने वाले हैं because this is a very low kilometer driven, very good car and in super mint condition again with full service record। तो रिवील करते हैं गाड़ी। This is a Mercedes S-Class S350D diesel which is new for around 2,25 lakh rupees। गाड़ी के किलोमीटर बोलूँगा शायद यकीन नहीं होगा, मैं पहले गाड़ी की डिटेल बताता हूँ। So this car is a 2018 model and a new shape S-Class। You can see the headlights. The headlights over here are the three lines which come on the headlight, which is a new shape of 2018 version। So this is a 2018 S-Class 350D diesel। किलोमीटर बताऊंगा तो यकीन नहीं होगा, बट इट इज विद फुल सर्विस रिकॉर्ड। गाड़ी चलिए ओनली 24,500 किलोमीटर, 24,500 किलोमीटर चली हुई विद फुल सर्विस रिकॉर्ड, सिंगल ओनर, कंपनी एंड कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स पेड। बहुत बढ़िया गाड़ी है, पूरी ओरिजिनल पेंट पे गाड़ी है। देयर इज नॉट इवन अ सिंगल स्क्रैच or a damage or anything reported to the company, and it is absolutely maintained with the Mercedes authorized center। So when I say it's a corporate registered, you can transfer the car name on your company's name without a single rupee extra cost। गाड़ी का नंबर भी बहुत बढ़िया है, which is called an ascending number 2, 4, 5 and 7। I checked with the client who was the seller. He took this number on a premium and the car condition is amazing। It has got 360 degrees camera, it has got rear entertainment, massagers, staff support, everything is there। It is a treat to be in this car। It is as good as being on a sofa at your house and driving this luxury। So you can see there is soft door closing also in all the 4 doors of the car। The car is done paint protection film also। पूरी गाड़ी पे पेंट प्रोटेक्शन फिल्म लगी है, which is worth around 1.5 lakh rupees। So this is inside this S-Class, which is only 25,000 kilometers driven in as good as brand new condition। You can see the leather, the interior quality, the wood, the dashboard, everything is in pristine shape and condition। There is nothing which we have to do in the vehicle, just fill in fuel and run, and it is with full service record। You get very good rear entertainment behind, you get a very good left hand side seat where you get a calf support। You can make it like a business class bed for the rare person who's traveling on the seat। It becomes like a bed for him and traveling as if you're traveling in a business class of an aircraft। So Burmester sound quality भी गाड़ी के अंदर available है, and it's got dynamic and sports and all those modes also in this vehicle। It's got height control also। If you feel the area where you're traveling it's low and has lot of potholes and everything, you can raise the height also of the vehicle। It's got massagers, it's got everything, it's got good ambient lighting in the car। This is like a dream vehicle and a dream and a luxury on your hands। It's an amazing shape and condition। This car is in very good shape। I'm sure anybody looking for a pre-owned car in this kind of a budget and range, this is a fabulous vehicle for him। जैसा मैंने आपको बताया था, एक बिजनेस क्लास की पूरी फील देती है ये S-Class। आप देख सकते हो, I can put my legs forward and there is a calf support over here and the seat can be reclined and I can sit like I'm sitting at a recliner sofa at my house। It's got a wireless charger also over here। It's got panoramic sunroof। आप कोई DVD या म्यूजिक सिस्टम भी आप अपना प्ले कर सकते हो, पूरी सिस्टम्स अवेलेबल है। The car is in extraordinary condition। I'm sure you're not going to wait to have this yours। So details और pricing की बात करते हैं। 2018 की ये S350D single owner corporate tax paid, insurance which is valid till 2026, zero flaws, very low kilometer driven, tires have been changed। The condition you've seen from inside, the car is at a very phenomenally low price। It is at 64,99,000 at only 65 lakh rupees. You are getting this beauty, which is a new shape and a single owner and very low kilometers, which is brand new at more than 2 crores. You are saving a handsome amount. So please let us know on the numbers coming below. Not only this car, but we have many more options in similar kind of budget. And please contact us. We can come to your doorstep to show you the car so that it becomes more convenient for you. Loans are also available up to 90%. Please let us know if we can help you anywhere. Thank you very much.